In this video, let's talk about how to use the Duolingo dictionary feature. Now, before we begin, let me clear out a few things. Duolingo does not currently have a standalone search style feature inside of the mobile application because it has been disabled or discontinued largely during 2022. However, you can still access your personal words list and use the built-in translation tool to review vocabulary you already learned. So what you can simply do first of all is tap on the dumbbell icon. If you made substantial progress inside of the Duolingo, you'll be able to see a dumbbell icon being displayed on the bottom of your screen. You can simply tap on that icon, which is going to be the practice hub. Inside of practice hub, you can simply tap on particular words to use the dictionary feature. But however, you may require to have Duolingo Super. The second thing that you can do is use the in-lesson dictionary. So what I simply mean by that is whenever you are inside of a particular course, you can simply tap on the word and you can see the translation being displayed. So using one of these methods, you'll be able to use the Duolingo dictionary feature. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for this one. I'm going to see you in the next video.